Hello friends, how are you? This is Camilo Machado, one half of Work with Chris and Camilo, and I'm flying solo again, but that's okay. I've got a really important message that I want to convey to you guys today, and it's real simple, guys. And speaking of simple, this is all about keeping it simple, because frankly, guys, look, let me show you this, all right? So you've seen me do this before, right? And so I'm flashing checks. I'm flashing checks again. This is a fresh batch, and the reason I'm showing you this is not to show off, I promise you. The reason I'm showing you these checks is because I want everyone out there who's watching this right now to understand that this does work. If you put the work into it, if you model what successful people are doing today to get results, you are going to be able to duplicate those same results for yourself. But the problem that I'm seeing with people in our own team and collectively in the industry is that sometimes without realizing you're getting in your own way. Let's put it that way. And frankly, there's a reason why the network marketing, the traditional guys are sort of a little bit hesitant about this whole internet thing, because they realize there's just a ton of distractions and a ton of ways for you to be scattered trying to figure out this whole internet marketing game out while you're trying to build a network marketing business. And what ends up happening is you get distracted by the lure of, the 600 leads in a day that you wouldn't know what to do with in the first place, even if you were able to generate that many, and your network marketing business isn't growing. And so I am here to basically advocate to you guys to keep things simple. There's a reason that you're asked when you get started and you're told, love the internet, embrace the internet at some point, but start out with the simplest and fastest way to put money in your pocket, which is keeping it simple and talking to people that you know, people in your phone directory, people in your warm list. Why, guys? Because here's what you want to do. You want to invite someone to your live broadcast event. You want to basically follow up with that person, ask them 3 simple questions, and then patch in a leader to come in and close for you. Why do you want to do this? Simple. If you don't call me, if you don't call a Toby, a leader in your organization, whatever your organization might be, you're risking losing that person because you don't have the posture yet. You don't have the confidence yet. You are not familiar with the product enough just yet to be able to answer all the questions. And so a leader will have the posture, they will have the confidence, they know how to handle objections, and really all you want to do is to fade into the background, allow them to come in and do the heavy lifting for you. So essentially you're earning while you're learning. Isn't that cool, guys? And the more you do this, 2 things are happening. You're staying motivated, you're staying excited because you're making money. You're making $100 here, $400 there. And now you can go and talk to people about it, and people hear, well, I'd like to make an extra $500 a month. I'd like to make an extra $1,000 a month. And so your results, even if you're not the one closing the prospect, validate your decision to get involved. More importantly, it makes it easy for the next person to do the exact same thing. Now, the more you do this, if you're committed to your business and you really want to grow and you want to reach the top, you are going to start building that posture, that confidence to the point where you can go out there and now you become the person who's being brought in to close somebody. You become the person who's standing on stage talking to 500, 600 people at a time. But you gotta start somewhere, because let's face it, guys, we're all rookies somewhere. So make sure that you leverage the tools and the resources available to you. Myself, other leaders in the company, we are here to help you build a business. We're here to help you keep it simple. And if you don't do these things, and I hear you say, well, I don't know what to say, I stumble, well, that's a clear indication that you need to be bringing somebody else into the conversation. And eventually, I promise you, as you sit back and listen and you take notes, you'll be able to handle this on your own. But for now, just get out of your own way, and I promise you, this is going to become very easy and a whole lot of fun. Take care, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this is really helpful to a ton of you out there, because this is waiting for each and every one of you. You have a tremendous gift in your hands. Go share it, but don't make it harder than it needs to be. All this internet marketing stuff, that comes later. For now, focus on results today, okay? Take care.